Okay, now today last time I taught you about how to start with JavaScript, right? So this time I will teach you how to what are functions and what will be the things that I have to that uh, you have to learn about JavaScript functions, right? So the first thing is I will open a new folder, right? I'll just say as make a folder in desktop. Okay, I have mm, okay this is the folder that I have created. I will just delete this one, right? I don't need this, and I will go to a new file, and I will name it as I will create a folder, right? Create a folder as you know live session send.js, and inside it I will create a new file called index.html, right? I'm gonna look it and as this, and uh, choose this change it to this, right? So now I will start doing HTML. I can do it like this, and I will change the name as live session. Please if you are new, please subscribe to my channel for more solution, since no one is there, right? I'm coding alone. It's okay, right? It's okay, but I hope that you are uh, learning something in the future, right? When you play back this what this video, and I will learn this script, right? Now the first thing is the script tag. Last video you can check on the channel. There are there's a video when how to start with JavaScript and all, right? You can check that. And now today we are going to discuss about how to code with how to start a function, and how to code with JavaScript, right? Now I go for the function, and I have to give a function name, right? In order to do that, I have to give a function name, right? Such as I'll give a name test func, right? You can see here, right? You can see here I'm starting a function. Well, this is a keyword, right? This function is a keyword, right? And this is the function name, and I did not insert any parameters, right? We will talk about parameters in the future, right? In the future, uh, uh, in the future, we will talk about how to send and how to control those things, right? Now I just give a console, right? Log, console log. That is my favorite thing, that logging, right? So I will just I can name it as function is loading, loaded, right? I can say like this. I can say function is loaded, right? And save it, and right now so I will save this, and I will go to file manager, and to the desktop, live sessions.js, and I will start my session. Not yeah, wait, using uh, right now you can see in the browser, right? I have loaded, but you cannot see any new thing, right? That means you cannot see nothing. That means if I refresh, it doesn't matter. It is not showing anything, right? This is because we have not yet uh, we have not yet called our function. That means we have to call it, not because we have created the function, right? But the thing is not creating a function is not enough, right? You have to call a function. That means right. Sorry, we lost the connection, but no. Uh, this is how we call a function. Now we'll see how to pass a parameter through a function. Right now, just assume that I am creating a variable called a variable name. Right. Just assume that it is I'm making a global variable called Dinesh. Right. And I will save it, and I will pass this parameter through my uh, function. Here I have, that means I have passed my parameters through the function, right? So now I can use the function whenever I need, right? For example, I can paste it here, right? I can paste it here. You can see if I put a name, something like name, and save it, right? Put a name and save it. You can see the output like this. See the output that I'm gonna do, right? It says undefined. What the wait, let me check. Okay, what does it mean undefined? Okay, that means I am only defining the I have only defined the parameter inside the function, right? That is not enough, because I have to pass the parameter here also, right? That if you name a parameter like here, right? Just assume x. Yeah, just assume that you are passing the parameter called x, right? Now, if I put the name as a parameter as name, right, and I save it, and after saving that, I will refresh the page, right? Refresh, you can see the output, right? You can see the output here, right? That is the main thing of JavaScript. You can define functions, right, like this, and you can say you are accepting parameters for this function, right, and use that function to anything that or any code lines in your inside your function. But understand, we have to do these things inside our functions, right? Uh, that is the main thing. Give me a second. Right. Oh, just give me a second. It is raining here, so I have to be uh, right. I'm doing some. Okay. Now the other thing, if you are that it says that we uh, we accept parameters, and after accepting parameters, we can do anything that we need. Right. That is the thing. Right. Now you can see here. There's a text function. We send the name here, and it console logs the output. You can see we are sending the name as the parameter. According to the function, parameter should be console logged in the browser, right? After saving this, and you can see here, if I refresh this one, you can see the input that I have inserted have been published, right? That is the main thing you have to understand, right? If anyone is watching, uh, you can anyone is watching, you can comment, or if you have any doubts. Right. Now uh, no mm, the thing is that we have finished. Now we will see something more, right? We can in JavaScript functions, we can accept more than one parameters, right? We can accept more than one parameter to our uh, function, right? Such as I will put x and y here, right? And just assume that I am inserting some numbers, right? Such as 10 time and 15, right? 10 and 15, right? You can see here I have told that I am accepting two parameters for my function, right? So I can do a thing like this, such as uh, just assume I will just add those numbers together, right? Just assume I'll give a console.log, and x plus y, right? Like saved here, I will save here, and go to the browser and refresh it. You can see I have got the answer for this one, right? X and y, that means x means 10, x means 10, and y means 15, right? So the addition is will be 25, right? That is the thing. you can add the things the way you want. It's not a problem, right? That means any number of variables, any number of just give me a second.